Alpha Sennon, Communications Director at the Deltones Institute of Steel Drums and Music. And it's indeed our pleasure today to have the one and only eatahfood down on the scene, down in the railway, down in Siparia. So this evening we'll be taking you all through a tour of what we do at the railway road, at Deltones Institute, showing you all our railway pizza, and it's all about pan and pizza, legacy, creativity, innovation, ingenuity, and entrepreneurship. So eatahfood it is, and let me go and see what railway pizza have to offer us. Welcoming you all to the home of innovation in Siparia at the Siparia Deltones Panyard. The panyard in Siparia is not a normal panyard. It's not the typical panyard where you come for panorama and you play alone. Nah, we have pan, we have pizza, we have food, we have agriculture, we have pallets billet. I'm sure many of you may have seen pallets billet already. Innovative furniture company or a woodwork company that uses discarded pallets, and we upcycle it to make all sorts of products, right? And of course, we have music education, we have entrepreneurship training, and we have a lot of things going on for our young people to keep them off the streets, to further develop their craft, their art, their musical ability, their entrepreneurship ability. And we continue to do this with a lot of young people across Siparia. What is important about the Deltones Panyard is that it's the last stop. And what last stop am I talking about? It's where the train came down back in the days, turn around and go back up to Port of Spain. So when you look at the building, you will see that we have preserved that legacy and that heritage of the building. So we try to maintain it as much as possible and to restore it. So of course, at the Deltones Panyard, it's off a railway road Siparia. And of course, well, for the obvious reasons why it's Railway Road Siparia. And of course, we want to take it a step further as we created the railway pizza. It's a taste of legacy, it's a taste of heritage, a taste of history, a taste of who we are as a people in Siparia. And you will see how it's all done in a while. So I tell you about the pan, I tell you about the pallet, and what we have to know now is about the pizza. Railway pizza, the future of pizza. Come on down to Siparia. Come, let we go. Badawi.
My name is Eminisha, and I am the head chef at Railway Pizza. And how we started, I actually make pizza outside of this. And Mr. Akinula had asked me if I'd be interested in making barrel pizza. So I was like, okay, that sounds like a good idea. So when we tried it actually turned out really amazing. And we just kind of, from there, just kick off. And we was like, we wanted to be professional. So we said, we'll start from scratch. We go in and we have no pizza sauce. We buy in tomato paste and we buy in pizza seasoning. And we started from scratch and we just wing it. And after a while, when we realized, okay, this work, that work, this work. It takes a while before we actually get the pizza sauce, like the perfect taste and everything. It takes a while. It was a lot of experimenting, even with the dough. Because even our dough, we needed different. We put pizza seasoning also in our dough. I can't tell you all the secrets, but that is and it's been a while. I've been making pizza for like 4 years. So pizza dough is different. Dough from bread and bake and those stuff, even pastry dough. When you're kneading pizza dough, you have to knead it very soft. So it is a little harder to deal with. So even some people use oil, but this is my method of rolling out our pizza dough. We use flour and we base our pans with cornmeal and flour. So this gives you a nice crust at the bottom. So we just roll it out. And from here, you give it a little flip. And you go again. So if you look closely, you could see all the pizza seasoning and stuff in the dough. There's basil, parsley, some chili flakes, rosemary. I just make sure it's fit. Now we don't have like a standard way in which we roll out the dough because everybody different. Some people like the crust thin, some people like it a little thicker, some people just like it just right. And then you use the bottom of the spoon to spread it. And then you even it out. Well, the basic onion, sweet peppers, tomatoes, corn. So I've never tasted anything like railway pizza anyway, and I could guarantee you that you wouldn't get anything like this. Even the experience, even the taste, everything about it, because I feel like we have something really unique. So today we have a new topping and it's okra. Good to see Mr. Alpha. All the meats are also halal. So today we'll be doing a meeting place. Usually the meeting place has chicken salami, beef salami, minced beef, and turkey bacon. Today we have beef salami. Yes. We also use spinach. We had the idea of naming all the pizzas after Panorama songs. So like the meeting place was actually the song that they played for Panorama this year, 2023. Then we have I'm Not Drunk. The I'm Not Drunk is red peppers, chili flakes, and spicy beef. So that's like a spicy pizza. We have amatrini, so that is red peppers. We have the onion to represent the white, and we use black olives. And the meat on that is get is minced beef, or you could get chicken. Then we have, well, the meat in place, which is actually the most popular pizza we have. And that is, as I said, with the minced beef, chicken salami, beef salami, and turkey bacon. Then we have the white farm. We have a pizza dedicated to white farm, and that one we have corn, we have mushroom, we have pine, sweet pepper. So this one is ready, so we could put it in. A pizza usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes to bake.
Right, all yeah. It's the moment we've been waiting for. It come out of the oven, it's smoky, it's hot, it's crispy. Railway pizza, the future of pizza. About to bite history, legacy, about to bite okra. I feel I might be seeing Karaili here too, and even Baji. But let me see how it go. Bismillah. But now you have to taste it. You have to taste it.
What is the veggie one?
You know, yeah. Crispy. How long it stay in the oven there? 10 minutes, Nisha?
Yeah.
10 minutes in the oven. In an upcycle, once was a pan oven. All right, all yeah. And I know before I said the moment we was waiting for. You see right now, is the moment we have been waiting for. And this is the wife and boss on the scene here, the original Alfama. And here now. So they are going on the farm. I harvest Karaili, I harvest okra, I harvest corn, tomato, sweet pepper, pimento. I come and I bring it for real pizza to tell me I'm mad. I'm mad. It's mad people that change the world. So here now. What you dashing bush falling over there? What you okra there? I want to get the Karaili. I want to get the Karaili out there. Here now, there. Where George? Where George? George, come in the shot. Come in the shot, George.
He bad?
Come in the shot. Come, oh gosh. Oh gosh. Oh, this is no joke. This is no joke. Wow. But are we going to love this? You're going to love this. The crunch of the what and the what and the what?
The crunch of the Karaili with the glue of the okra. It's the best of everything we just do here.
So newly revised, re-engineered wife and pizza. With some additions in. Eat what in season all year. And we keep promoting that. Because when you grow what you eat, and you eat what you grow,
What goes into your body?
you would know. Duh.
Let them know.
Eat our food all year. Eat our food.